What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are messing more with the Meguiars hybrid ceramic shine, and this is exactly what we do on this channel. We torture test products, we push them to their limits. We really want to see is if the claims that are on the label hold up in reality. So in this video we are applying the hybrid ceramic tire shine to the rear driver's side tire of my car. After we've fully prepped it, we've cleaned the tire, we've brushed it, we've made sure that it's completely clean, and then we've applied it only and sprayed it on only, and we're gonna give it 7 days. Now the bottle doesn't say that it lasts 7 days or 14 days or 30 days. It gives no claim to that. Sorry about the noise if we're hearing that. It just claims that it has a durable shine. So for my own information, what I wanted to see is how long does this last? And the reason why I picked 7 days was I figured you wash your car about every once a week. And especially within the next 7 days, we have some rain in the forecast, not for a few more days, at least at the time of this recording. But in this video, we're gonna be showing the before, the application, and then the after of 7 days and going through some rain to see if this $15, 16-ounce bottle of tire shine holds up to the elements. And if you want to see a torture test version of that, I will make sure to link that in the description below. I have a sped up torture test video that I did with this product, and I'll have a slew of additional products comparing this product to other tire shines on the market to see which is a better bang for your buck. So make sure you subscribe to check out that. Let's get into the application and we'll see each other in a few days. It'll be round 2 of the application before I let it sit for a week and go through a rainstorm. This is the driver's side rear tire. This, what you're currently looking at, is I sprayed the Meguiar's tire shine on it and then I wiped it immediately with a towel. So what I'm gonna do for this real life longevity test, is I'm going to do a secondary layer, which again, the instructions don't say anything about adding extra layers. They don't say anything about that. But what I'm gonna do, because I wanna give it the best chance of succeeding and making it through the 7-day test, is I'm gonna spray another light layer on and completely leave it. I guess that's kind of a heavy layer, but I really want it to be successful. So there's the heavy layer. Again, this is the driver's side rear tire. The date of recording this is January 12th, 11:50. You can see that. So in at least 7 days, maybe more, I'm gonna come back. So on the 19th, that'll be next Thursday, I will come back and show you what this exact tire looks like without touching it at all. Again, we have some rain and we'll see what it looks like and then we'll judge it from there. If you want to see a quicker version of this, I did do a torture test video on it that I will make sure I link in the show notes below that you can check out if you want to see a sped up torture test compared to the 7-day test. But if not, we'll see it in 7 days. So this is the tire after 7 days. Let me break out my phone so I can show you guys. Oh, someone called. So today is January 19th. It's been exactly 1 week, almost down to the hour. I think I was recording a little bit later, but in my opinion, it's completely gone. So this tire shine, Meguiar's tire shine, will not last through a rainstorm. I will say it was gone about the 5-day mark, so about 5 days, one rainstorm. I will say it's important to note that one thing that I did appreciate is the tire doesn't look worse than when I applied the tire shine. So a lot of chemical guys' tire shines, the tire will look worse after a rainstorm after using it. So I will say that it doesn't look worse. So that's good. And it looks really good. As long as you have good weather. So yeah, that's the 7-day update with the Meguiar's tire shine. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Where does this tire shine fit in? Is hyper dressing a better deal? Are there better tire shines? And also check out my channel. I am doing this Meguiar's ceramic tire shine versus the Turtle Wax or the Hybrid Solutions acrylic tire shine, doing another 7-day real world test to see which one does better. So subscribe to my channel, So you can make sure you see that video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching. See ya.